In this light, the School of Law is extremely privileged to be graced today with the esteemed presence of Honorable Mr. Justice Rajesh Bindal Sir, Judge, Supreme Court of India.
On behalf of Galgotias University, I extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to all gathered here today. At the very outset, it is my distinct honor and deep privilege to extend our most respectful welcome to our Chief Guest, Honorable Mr. Justice Rajesh Bindalji, Judge, Supreme Court of India. Sir, we are deeply honored to welcome you once again to Galgotias University. Your illustrious judicial journey, defined by uncompromising integrity, constitutional wisdom, and an unwavering commitment to justice, stands as a powerful source of inspiration for the legal fraternity and, above all, for our students who aspire to serve the nation. Your presence today marks yet another milestone in the academic and constitutional journey of our university.
But for the initiatives which have been taken by the university, especially in mediation and that too in the family matters, I think this is something commendable the university is doing. Because we need to take care of all these disputes at the very beginning only. In the Supreme Court, a lot of cases come, and at that stage the parties are already in litigation maybe for 10, 20, 30, 40 cases. So even there they reach at the point of no return, basically all in a fighting mood. So better it is that if these problems, whatever have come in the society, are taken care of at the very initial stage, so that the families can also settle, and maybe if the children are there, they also don't face any problem, because otherwise sometimes they are the pound of flesh in between, and the parties, both the parties settle their scores taking their children.
Lord, my question is, being a first generation lawyer and a first year law student, what should I focus on to become a good lawyer from today?
The only solution is hard work. That's all. There is nothing else. आपने वो गीता में पढ़ा होगा ना श्लोक, कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन। बस काम करते रहो। शुरू में मिलेगा नहीं, आपको पैसा नहीं मिलेगा, सिर्फ काम मिलेगा, बट काम आपको देखना है। तो इफ़ यू डू योर वर्क, ये आपको क्यूमुलेटिव बेनिफिट मिलेगा एंड में।
I wanted to ask, what steps does judiciary follow to work and ensure that justice remains accessible for the most vulnerable part of the society?
The kind of system we have in our country probably is nowhere in the world. In world over, hardly there are very few countries where this is state sponsored. In our country, it's all government funded. So we provide legal aid from the stage it is arrest of a person. And lot of things are there if you read that act, and there are number of schemes in that which provide for that.